Okay, friends, we are going to start out with our rhyming game today. So I'm going to give you a word, and then you have to tell me the word that rhymes with my word. So my word is weak. Which word rhymes with weak? Is it case or speak? Weak and speak are the rhyming words. Good. Okay, now my word is taste. Which word rhymes with taste? Is it paste or type? Taste and paste are my rhyming words because they both sound the same at the end. Okay, my next word is night. Which word rhymes with night? Five or right? Which rhymes with night? Should be night and right. Good job. Those are my rhyming words. Okay, we're going to do a new game now. Now I am going to give you two words. If they start with the same first sound, then I want you to give me 2 thumbs up. If they do not start with the same first sound, I want you to give me an X. Ready? Talented, target. Do those start with the same first sound? Make sure you say them too. Talented, target. Yes, they both start with T. All right, ready? Next one. Yogurt, yellow. Can you say those? Okay, what do you think? Do they start with the same first sound? Yes, yogurt, yellow. They both have our Y sound at the beginning. Good job. And our last one, daddy, helping. Can you say those? Do those words start with the same sound? No. Daddy starts with D and helping starts with H. Those are different sounds. All right, my friends, get your choppers out. I'm going to give you 2 syllables and we're going to blend them together to make a word. Are you ready? Here are your first 2 syllables. Pencil. Pencil. Good job. Do them with me. Flower. Flower. Good job. Member. Member. Oh, let's do some tricky ones. Suddenly. Suddenly. Good. And the last one. Studio. Studio. Well done. Okay, it's time for punch it out. Ready? Here is your first word. Can you say 5? Let's punch it out. 5. What went through the ceiling? It was our V sound. Good job. Next word is grab. Can you say grab? All right, punch it out. Grab. What went through the ceiling that time? That was our B sound. All right, let's try the word flag. Ready? Say flag and punch it out. Flag. What went through the ceiling? It was our G sound. Nice job. Alrighty, this time, my friends, I do need your choppers again. I'm going to give you a word and we are going to chop the syllables apart. So here is your first word. Your word is doctor. Can you say doctor? All right, let's chop it. Doctor. Good job. Here's your next word. Slowly. You say it. And let's chop it. Slowly. Good job. Here is your next word. Party. Can you say party? Ready? Party. And your last word is president. Can you say president? Ready? President. Good job. That one was 3 syllables long. All right, I'm going to give you the first syllable of a word, and then I'm going to give you the second syllable, and we are going to put them together to make one whole word. Make sure you say each syllable with me. Ready? Say win. Add ter to the end. Winter. Good. Say win. Add dough to the end. Window. Say rab. Add bit to the end. Rabbit. Good, and last one, say un, add tie to the end. Untie. Good job. Now I'm going to give you guys one whole word, and we're going to take a syllable away and see what we still have left. Are you ready? Your first word is garden. Can you say garden? Say it without gar. What's left? Den would be left to make that whole word garden. Ready? New word. Say the word mascot. Say it without mass. What's left? Cot would be left. Good. Say the word acorn. Say it without a. What's left? Corn is left. Very good. Last one. Say the word erase. Now take away e. What's left? Race is left. Very good job. Okay. Give me those 2 fists in the air because we are going to be substituting some syllables out of our words. First, your word is deeper. Say deeper. Change deep to cold. What's your word? Colder. Good. Keep colder there. Get rid of cold. Change it to dark. What's your word? Darker. Good job. Say darker. Take away dark. Make it long. What's your word? Longer. Awesome. One more. Say longer. Take away long and add quick. Your word is quicker. Good job. All right, friends, now I'm going to give you a sentence and you say it fluently after me. Then we will go back and count the words in our sentence. Here is your first sentence. Always do your best. Now you say it. Okay, ready? Let's count. Always do your best. That sentence had 4 words in it. Ready? I can use a whisper voice. Can you say that sentence? Okay, let's count. I can use a whisper voice. That one had 6 words in it. Good job. Here is your next sentence. Our library has a lot of books. Can you say that? All right, let's count. Our library has a lot of books. Whoa, that one had 7 words. I hope you got them all. Okay, my friends, you did a great job today. Go keep being awesome.